Good afternoon, friends. Today we discuss about general agriculture. Pseudo cereal is buckwheat, queen of spices, cardamom. Rothamsted Agriculture Research Station was founded by Larvis and Gilbert, which is stable element geranium, highest nutrient content in which fertilizer SSP, maximum nitrogen loss in rice in the form of denitrification. The crop which prefers ammonical form of nitrogen rice harvest index of wheat is 0.35 to 0.45. 1 gram glucose has 0.45 gram fat. Maximum metabolic activity of plant is 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Urea is maximum marketed as Prills. Shedding plant hormone is ABA. Maximum phosphorus availability is 6.5 to 7 pH. Interspecific hybrid are more common in cotton. Soil erosion in India is 16 tons per hectare per year if only 3 irrigations are available, indicating critical stage of wheat when there will be applied CRI stage, tillering stage and duff stage. Potato tuber is a modified form of stem. Curing is related to the crop tobacco. The extension program linked for plant with credit for the farmer IRDP. Rock phosphate used in acidic soil. Total agroclimatic zones in India is 15th. Which microorganism is responsible for maximum nutrient recycle in the soil? Bacteria. Present farming system in India becomes market oriented. The chemical widely used to treat seed to the potato to break dormancy, thiourea. Psychocell is a growth retardant. Wheat is a C3 plant. Goodness of fit used for the distribution of chi-square test. Scorching of burning on margins of bottom leaves manifests the deficiency of potassium. In waterlogged area, which gas is found abundantly? CH4 or methane. What means photorespiration? Production of ATP. Scientific name of berseem is Trifolium alexandrinum. Origin Misr. Water use efficiency in the highest in case of drip irrigation. Most destructive disease of sugarcane is red rot of sugarcane, Clostridium falciparum. Global warming is caused by due to greenhouse effect, CO2, CFC and CH4 gases. Growing plants in different height in the same field at the same time is known as multi-storied cropping. Highest contribution in GDP is milk. Maize leaf develop red and purple color due to deficiency of phosphorus. T-test is applicable when the number of treatment are 2. End product of glycolysis is pyruvate. Selford introduced the term law of tolerance. Protoplasm constituent of the element calcium. Kesar saffron belongs to the family Iridiaceae. Full form of IPR is intellectual property right. Dioecious are plant with male or female flowers. Oleoresin is an important product of chili. Virus which have DNA as a genetic material, chromatin. Carbon dating technique is used to determine age of fossils. Pashmina used in winter clothes is obtained from the goats. Blue revolution is related to aquaculture. Age of plant is determined by annual rings. Crop known as camel crop, sorghum. And National Biodiversity Board is situated in New Delhi. Beaufort scale is used to measure wind pressure or wind strength. Natural genetic engineer is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.